It was the week AI rewrote the rules of life itself. We're talking about pills that could slow aging, AI that makes your mornings easier, robots that can think for themselves, and even a knowledge war started by Elon Musk. Stay with me, because over the next few minutes you'll see why October 2025 is the month technology officially stepped into the future. Elon Musk just declared war on Wikipedia. Grokipedia, an AI-powered encyclopedia, Musk claims will be more accurate, neutral, and transparent. But here's the kicker. Future AI systems could end up learning from Grokipedia instead of Wikipedia. That means Musk would be shaping the very foundation of human knowledge. Critics warn this could centralize truth itself. Supporters say it's overdue. But while Musk tries to control knowledge, Sam Altman is aiming at something even more personal, your lifespan. Altman's startup Retro Biosciences is preparing human trials for RTR242, a pill designed to restart your body's natural cellular cleanup. Why does that matter? Because as we age, cells stop clearing out waste. That buildup leads to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cognitive decline. This pill could reverse that process. In animals, compounds like it extended life by 25%. Human trials are expected by late 2025. If it works, aging itself could shift from inevitable to optional. But if you think extending life is wild, wait until you see what OpenAI just unleashed on Hollywood. OpenAI Sora 2 is here and it changes everything. This model creates cinematic, high-def videos complete with sound, physics, and dialogue. It even lets you cameo inside your own AI-generated film. Picture yourself surfing in Hawaii, starring in a Broadway show, or pulling off Olympic routines. Sora 2 makes it look real. It's a direct challenge to TikTok and a potential wrecking ball for Hollywood. But not just entertainment. OpenAI also decided to come after Amazon's and Google's most valuable business, online shopping. OpenAI just gave ChatGPT the power to shop for you. With Instant Checkout, US users can search for products, compare options, and buy directly inside the chat. Partners include Etsy, Shopify, Glossier, Skims, Spanx, and Investors Noticed. It's a power shift that could shake e-commerce giants. Next, if you're wondering whether AI is actually capable of real-world work, OpenAI has the receipts. Meet GDPval, the toughest AI benchmark ever. Instead of trivia or puzzles, it tests models on 1,320 real-world job tasks across 44 professions. The results? AI already matches or outperforms humans on nearly half of them, working 100 times faster and cheaper. Investment banking, engineering, nursing support. It's already happening. But OpenAI isn't stopping at work. It wants to redesign your mornings too. Imagine waking up and your AI already planned your day. That's ChatGPT Pulse. For $200 a month, it scans your chats, emails, and calendar, then gives you 5 to 10 personalized morning briefings. Sports updates, family travel, shopping tips, it's all waiting before you've had your first coffee. It's the first proactive AI assistant, less like a tool, more like a butler. But while OpenAI makes your mornings easier, Google has its eyes on the creative world. Google just dropped Mixboard, a tool that builds professional mood boards from text prompts. Planning a living room redesign? Launching a campaign? Type it in, and Mixboard generates curated images, adjusts the vibe, and lets you refine with natural language. For designers and marketers, this could replace hours of brainstorming. And if your biggest headache isn't design but email, Perplexity has news for you. Perplexity's email. Assistant doesn't just summarize. It writes in your voice, drafts replies, schedules meetings, and even ranks priorities. It's priced at $200 a month for enterprise users, but here's the point. AI is starting to handle the everyday grind. And while US companies push ahead, China just made a bold move in open source AI. China's DeepSeek released Terminus, a major upgrade to its model with hybrid reasoning and a massive 128,000 token context window. Unlike GPT-5 or Claude, it's MIT licensed and affordable, making it an instant option for developers worldwide. It's a reminder, the AI race isn't America versus America, it's global. And speaking of competition, Google is already preparing the brains of tomorrow's robots. Google DeepMind launched Gemini Robotics-ER 1.5, the first AI built specifically for robot reasoning. It can handle multi-step instructions, search online for missing info, and execute tasks with spatial awareness. This is the closest we've come to robots that don't just move, but think. But even as the tech evolves, the courtroom is heating up. On September 24th, Musk's xAI filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, accusing it of poaching engineers and stealing trade secrets. Why does this matter? Because top AI talent now commands packages worth over $1.5 billion. This legal fight isn't just about one engineer, it's about who owns the future of AI itself. October 2025 isn't the future arriving, it's the future colliding with the present. The only question is, can America keep up? If this roundup blew your mind, hit subscribe, because the next AI wave is already forming, and trust me, you'll want to be here when it hits.